How to send passport for visa stamping in Canada. So to be able to send your passport for visa stamping in Canada, you will need to follow some general steps. So you need to make sure that you have completed all the necessary application forms and gathered all required supporting documents for your visa or permit application. After that, you will need to double check the requirements for submitting your passport for visa stamping. This can vary depending on the type of visa you are applying for and your country of residence. You will need to visit the official website of the Canadian government or consult with the consulate or visa processing center to handling your application. Next, you will need to place your passport securely in a protective cover or folder to prevent damage during transit. After that, you will need to choose a reputable courier service that offers secure delivery options like FedEx, like USPS, DHL, and so on. After that, you will need to fill out any necessary shipping forms provided by the courier service. Ensure that you accurately provide the recipient address, including any specific instructions or reference numbers provided by the visa processing center. After that, after you was complete your shipping forms, you will need to place your passport along with any required application forms, supporting documents, and a prepaid return envelope if it's applicable in the shipping package. Make sure to securely seal the package. You will need to track your shipment after that. Use the tracking number provided by the courier service to monitor the progress of your shipment. This will allow you to know when your passport has been delivered to the visa processing center. After sending your passport, keep track of your visa application status through the appropriate channels. You may receive updates via email or through the online application portal. Once your visa has been processed and stamped in your passport, it will be returned to you via the courier service. Make sure that you are available to receive the package and sign it for it upon delivery. And the last step, upon receiving your passport, please carefully check the visa stamp to ensure that all information is correct and matches your application. If you notice any discrepancies or issues, you will need to contact the visa processing center immediately for clarification or correction. So that's it, guys. I hope that this video will help you, and we will see in the next videos.